Hi, we are Group 5. Today we are presenting our revolutionary generative AI solution, Chef in Pocket. Do you know that people around the world spend an average of 1 to 2 hours a day on eating and drinking? Well, that is excluding the meal planning and cooking time, if you ever cook at home. Given that eating and drinking take up a significant time of our daily life, businesses are thinking of different ways to get the most of our pocket, whether you like it or not. From the fast food concept in the 1970s, where brands embraced the industrialization of food processing, to the latest sustainable food concepts that introduce different labels to our ingredients, humans are always finding new ways to redefine our food. These new labels complicate what we cook or eat daily. For a person with health concerns, here are the pain points he or she is expected to face daily. First, constrained food options. For individuals with chronic health conditions such as diabetes, every food choice can significantly impact their well-being. Similarly, those who wish to control their weight often struggle to find suitable ingredients that align with their nutritional goals while maintaining variety and taste. Navigating through complex dietary requirements, understanding the nutritional value of various ingredients, and making informed decisions can be intricate. Second, personalization challenges. The recipes from cookbooks are typically standardized with no recommendation or customization due to users' dietary preference. This also limits the ability to create a variety of recipes to meet different users' needs. Also, standard recipes from cookbooks are not interactive, making users' requirements harder for customization. Third, food wastage. People often discard the food or ingredients where they don't know how to use the leftovers or the extra ingredients that they have on hand. Fourth, time constraints. Many people, especially busy professionals or parents, struggle to prepare meals because they don't have enough time to plan, shop, or cook. And lastly, decision fatigue. Deciding what to cook can be mentally exhausting, especially when you have a lot of choices. Meal planning can add to decision fatigue, leading to unhealthy, uninspired choices or even skip meals. Many people struggle to decide on the menu, especially when they have limited ingredients or specific dietary needs. So here are the key features of a solution, Chef in Pocket. Its advantages compared to the traditional diet planners are, first, hyper-personalized meal planning. AI dynamically learns user preferences, offering customized recipes based on taste, allergies, health conditions, and real-time needs. It offers context-aware suggestions considering available ingredients, cooking time, and dietary restrictions. Second, natural language processing. Users can describe their needs in natural language, eliminating the need for complex nutrition knowledge. For example, AI understands requests such as a filling meal that helps with digestion and generates relevant meal plans. Third, integration with lifestyle and context. AI tailors meals for different lifestyles for busy professionals, students, fitness enthusiasts. It real-timely adjusts to ensure alignment with evolving dietary goals and seasonal ingredients availability. Lastly, reducing the food wastage and process inefficiencies. AI suggests creative ways to use leftovers and minimize the ingredient wastage. It automates meal preparation schedules and grocery shopping lists, optimizing the cost and efficiency. Next, our teammates will be demonstrating the app.
Hi everyone, thank you for joining. My name is Fan Chao. Today I will show the demo and code for our AI electricity Chef in Pocket. First, I will walk you through the key feature of front end. For example, I want to cook a cabbage at home, but I don't know how. I can use AI simply by typing the cabbage in here. And also, I want something matching the cabbage, maybe chicken and tomato from suggestion. After that, I'm going to choose what kind of food I want, maybe Chinese cuisine. And also, I'm having low salt diet recently, so I will type in the low salt. For the calorie, I want low calories. For the meal time, it's dinner time. And the cooking experience, moderate. And the quick meal, I don't want quick meal. For the health condition, I have friends that are recovering from the surgery, so I will have been recovering from surgery during his condition. Yeah, generate. You can see there are three buttons in the bottom. This three button is predefined meal plan. For example, if I want to have a vegetarian diet, but I don't know what kind of ingredient I should have, simply type on it. It will give me the ingredient dietary I need. And also, every time I change this stuff, I need to click on the generate. The generated recipe will generate 3 recipes from AI, like 1, 2, 3. And each of them will have the ingredient, we have like the condiment, equipment, the time we need for cooking, calories, and step-by-step instruction to cook the food. That's basically how the front end do, how our AI doing in the front end. So I will go to the back end. Here's the code to installing the package with the red version to setting the environment. And this code is for the front end code. We are using the doc type as the HTML, and also in the header section we have the metadata. We have the styling stuff like the font, like the color, like the background color, or maybe margin size, something. After that, we are handling the most important part in the body part, like our header and maybe the input for us to type in the ingredients, also the suggestion button, and the dietary, calories, meal time, and the cooking experience, all this kind of stuff. From here, this code is handling like when we click on the chicken from the suggestion, it will convert it to the text and put it into the input. And here is our predefined set plan. We can make more after this. And here is doing the connection between the front end and the back end. For example, here handling the submissions and gathering the user input values, correct the request and send the request to the Python code. And the Python code here will take the request from using the Flask package library, handling the web requests and the responses. And also we are importing the OpenAI, which help us using the API to call the GPT. This part of code is basically doing the API stuff using GPT. And here is accepting the post request. So generate recipe is the most important function in the Python part. For like this area is taking the input, and also if there are no input, setting the empty value. And also this part is give more specific direction to the GPT, like what you are, what you need to do, also which is the user input, what kind of output you should give us. And after that, we are calling the OpenAI functions to connecting the API, to calling the model like the GPT-4o, and then we get the answers. After we get the answers, we return the response to the front end. Basically, that's how code works entirely from the front end to the back end. And my friend will introduce the business insight later. Thank you for your time.
Chronic conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, and high blood cholesterol are rising at an alarming rate globally. Over 800 million people live with diabetes, 1.28 billion adults face hypertension, many unaware, and 39% of adults have elevated cholesterol, increasing their risk of heart disease and stroke. A nutritious diet plays a crucial role in improving health outcomes, especially for adults aged 60 and above. By adopting a balanced diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, and fresh produce, individuals can better manage their weight, enhance health, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Together, through informed choices, we can promote long-term well-being and healthier lives by using Chef in Pocket. Food waste is a global crisis, with 1 billion tons of food, worth approximately $1 trillion, discarded annually. This waste not only impacts our wallets, but also contributes to greenhouse gas emissions, worsening environmental issues. By adopting efficient food usage strategies, such as personalized recipe suggestions, we can reduce spoilage and minimize overpurchasing. This not only lowers household expenses, but also promotes smarter consumption. Embracing convenient and sustainable practices like using leftover ingredients creatively help us reduce waste while supporting a healthier planet by using Chef in Pocket. Personalized AI insights from Chef in Pocket are transforming how we approach food. By offering tailored meal plans and unlimited recipe choices based on user preferences and dietary needs, we deliver a customized culinary experience for every individual. Our scalable platform supports multilingual access and a diverse range of international recipes, enabling us to expand into global markets and reach audiences worldwide. Through a subscription model, customers can unlock premium services, including exclusive recipes from renowned culinary brands like MasterChef, driving recurring revenue and long-term customer engagement. Like Mary Poppins' magical bag, Chef in Pocket holds an endless collection of recipes, always something new, surprising, and perfectly suited for any occasion. Try it now. Thank you.